Time curve theory depends on the general relativity of Einstein. General relativity is saying very simply, if you have a very big mass in the universe, like Sun, it has very strong gravity. Its gravity can curve the time and the place of a ray of light coming from another star to Earth, and they have tested this theory and it's worked. They traced one star. The scientists expected its light reaching to Earth in specified time and in specified point, but because of another star gravity between Earth and this star, its ray has been curved in place and in time, both together, not only in time. So if we think that we can do this in space, it will be very big problem, because we don't have this much of gravity, and we don't have a plan to all black holes, or how to calculate between these big masses, how to make this curve happen to a spaceship. But it's too easy to repeat what really happened on Earth before. We can curve the time and the place of any moving vehicle like car or even plane if we make the same conditions happen to the airplane pilot in England, or the train, or any other accident happened before. We will find that the most common parameter and condition in these accidents, there is a clouds or something like water steam in the morning, and there is charges, all about charges. What if this charges has a gravity like Sun or like any other gravity in the universe? Okay, we know if we move, if we are charged with positive and we are moving near something negative, something pull us from positive to negative. Gravity between charges, different charges, and this what I think really happened on Earth. Let us see this photo. Let's assume this is the plane of the air pilot who traveled to future in England, and he sees a new airport, as I told you in the story. And let's assume this is the clouds that he passed on, the storm, and it was a charged storm. Okay, and he said it was very strange clouds near between brown and orange, something like this. And let us say that his plane was very old and slow to this time, not like other new planes, and have no defenses to electrostatic charge like these days all airplanes have. So the outside body of his plane will be charged with charges positive and negative, and will pass inside field of positive and negative charges. Let us assume that the negative charges is stronger than positive charges, and it's pulling the plane to it. Okay, something will happen to the plane. First, curve will happen in its path of moving. Second, curve will happen in its time path, not only place. Same as happened, happening in the photo of the general relativity. This ray curved in time and place, and also the plane will be curved in time and place. And if you go back inside the plane from the other side, inside the clouds from the other side, the storm, you reverse it. So this guy was very lucky that he go to future and came back to his time from same gate inside these clouds. So in our laboratory or any laboratory, we can test this very easy. We can make small maquette for a plane or car or any moving mass. We can charge it with electrostatic charge, and we get two walls for two plates charged with positive and negative. Okay, and we put inside this maquette, the small maquette of plane or car or even ball, a mechanical clock. Okay, not digital, because digital will be affected by charges. And we will assume that the time it will take from start of the road to the end in this location, t of time. Okay, amount of time. And we will charge this plate, and charge the outside surface of this vehicle or ball or mass with the charges. We will try first to make it positive and negative, and we charge this vehicle with all positive, and we make it start moving between these two plates with a certain speed. After end of this pass, we will check the clock. What is the time this clock? If we found the time same exactly that we expected, it will take to move inside these two plates. Okay, so the charge is not enough, we increase it till we find that the time inside the clock has delta t difference from that we expected to cut this way according to our calculations we made. So something happened, its time curve happened by increasing or decreasing in the clock. Okay, this leads us to go back to the study of moving electrons or small masses between inside a charged electrical field.